Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you a delicious meal for Ramadan. So because most of you they asked me to do more meals and Lebanese dishes. So today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe. I'm going to make kafta with this is meatball kafta with potato. It's like stew style. It's so delicious and served with rice or noodles or pasta, but I prefer to serve it with the rice. And let's get started with the ingredients. First, we need kafta. Here I have about 1 kilo of kafta balls. So I'm going to list down the ingredients or the link for this recipe, how you can prepare your kafta. It's homemade. So you need mincemeat, onion, parsley, salt, and 7 spices to prepare it, and just make it as ball like this. And we need potatoes. As you can see, the potato is big chunks. They washed and clean. We need water, and we need two tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. They chopped finely, and we need 3 tablespoons and 3 full tablespoons of tomato paste, and we need 1 chopped onion. For the spices, we need just 7 spices. We need salt to taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon of each. So let's get started to prepare this recipe. Okay guys, so first step, what we need to do, I'm going to add like 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and I'm going to start frying the kafta little bit, just a little bit. So I'm going to put them here carefully. Okay guys, so here you go. That's what we want, just to fry the kafta a little bit from outside. You don't need to cook it at all. Okay, so take them off now. We're going to add the potatoes. Okay, so now I'm going to add the potato and fry the potato from outside as well, same as the kafta. So keep all the juices and the flavors. That's it. So yummy. If you like to fry the potato in a deep oil separately, you can just do that as well. Okay. So fry them for 2-3 minutes until they become golden brown from outside. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the onion. Fry them a little bit. Okay. Adding the tomato. I'm going to add the water. We need another one. So we need 1 liter of water. Okay, so now I'm going to leave the kafta. Okay. So let me add salt and pepper and the tomato paste as well. Okay, and I'm going to leave them on high heat until they bring to boil, and then reduce the heat to the medium. Let the potato cooked, not completely, before, like half a cook, and then I'm going to add the kafta after that. So now, as I said, on high heat until they bring to boil, and I'll show you the next step. Cover them as well. Okay guys, so here we go. Now I'm preparing the rice. I added like 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and I'm frying like 1 cup or a bit less of vermicelli noodles. We call it in Arabic shairiya. So I'm going to fry them until become golden brown, and after that I'm going to add the rice with the water and the salt and cook it. Okay. So here we go, they start to boil now. I'm going to reduce the heat to the medium and leave them for 10 minutes and covered as well. So after that I'm going to add the kafta with them. Oh, wow, wow, wow. And here we go, I'm just preparing the vermicelli noodles to make the rice. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rice. Fry the rice a little bit. And then I'm going to add salt. Like 1 teaspoon or a bit more. Salt to taste. And then add water. Little bit more. Okay, that's it. So leave them on high heat until the water evaporated, and then put the lid, cook them on the lowest heat for 20 minutes, and that's it. Okay guys, so now after 10 minutes I'm going to add the kafta carefully. And then leave them between 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. We don't want the potato to be so mashed. So look at the rice. Now the rice is ready. I'm going to cover it and then put it on the lowest heat and then leave it 20 minutes. Okay, and here we go. Carefully mix the kafta and leave it 10-15 minutes or 10 minutes. So look at the sauce, so thick and delicious. It looks so yummy. Alright, on medium heat, okay? See you after that. Woo, okay guys, so as you can see I just turned off the cooker, and now the kafta with the potato are ready now. So I'm going to serve them in a bowl like so. It smells so yummy, seriously. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay guys, here we go. This is the kafta with the potato stew. It's served like so with rice with vermicelli noodles. Oh my goodness, that smells so yummy. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So I'm going to put here this one, like flour and leaves like so. That's so cute. And leaves here. Okay, and here I have radish. I'm going to make flour. Out of radish. Wow. Just put this one here. Oh my god. And make another one here as well. And those, the leaves, that's so cute. Wow, that makes me so hungry. And guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you like this recipe. I hope you can try it. The recipe with the measurements and the ingredients is listed down in the description box. So I'm sure that it's so tasty, and I'm sure that you will like it. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your like, and any recipe that you want me to do it, just list it down or send me a comment down below. And thank you so much. So Ramadan Kareem for all of you and your families, and see you soon. Bye.